Are you an international medical graduate dreaming of practicing in the UK? In today's video, we'll walk you through every step of the process, from meeting GMC requirements to landing your first job in the NHS. Welcome to Nifty Medics, your trusted guide to launching your international medical career. First, let's talk about the General Medical Council, or GMC. The GMC is the regulatory body that ensures every doctor in the UK meets the highest standards. As an international medical graduate, your first task is to confirm that your medical degree is recognized by the GMC. Visit their website and check the list of approved qualifications. Make sure you have all the necessary documents handy, like your degree certificate and transcripts. Next, you'll need to prove your English language proficiency. The GMC accepts tests like IELTS and OET. Focus on preparing for these exams to ensure you meet the required scores. Consider taking preparatory courses or using online resources to boost your skills. Remember, effective communication is key to providing quality patient care. Now let's discuss the licensing exams. Currently, international medical graduates are required to pass the Professional and Linguistic Assessments Board PLAB test, which is divided into two parts. PLAB 1, a multiple-choice exam testing your clinical knowledge, and PLAB 2, an OSCE-style exam assessing your clinical and communication skills. However, the GMC is in the process of implementing the UK Medical Licensing Assessment, UKMLA, which will eventually replace the PLAB test. During this transition period, it's essential to stay informed about which exam applies to you. Regardless of the exam, dedicate time to practice with online question banks, join study groups, and watch practice sessions to prepare effectively. After passing the required exams, you'll be ready to apply for GMC registration. This step requires you to submit all your documentation, including your exam results, proof of identity, and language test scores. There's an application fee, so be prepared for that expense as well. Once your application is approved, you're officially registered and one step closer to practicing in the UK. With GMC registration in hand, the next step is securing a job within the NHS. Tailor your CV and cover letter to meet UK standards and start applying for vacancies. Prepare for interviews by researching common questions and understanding the unique aspects of the NHS system. Alongside this, you'll need to navigate the UK visa process. Most international doctors apply for the health and care visa, so consult the official UK government website for the latest requirements and ensure you have the proper sponsorship from your employer. If you found this guide helpful, please like, subscribe, and share your questions or experiences in the comments below. Thanks for watching Nifty Medics, and we'll see you in the next video.